Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the yarns that I bought for my crochet. So let's get started. Here I have a soft yarn, and it is called a SIMIB hand knitting yarn. It is cool and hand wash. You can cool and iron, and do not bleach. Keep away from naked flame. Do not tumble dry. Dry cleanable, and do not use in the machine. The sign which shows over here, and it doesn't exactly tell you or show you which crochet hook to use, but I use 3.0 millimeter, which is here, and I have made a model here. I'll show you continue how it looks like, and as well I have NORDLYS, which is a super wash. It's a Schmaben from Germany. So this one I bought online from Temu. You see, it's very soft, and it says the hook you should use is 2 millimeter, and in US it's 2, and you can wash. Do not use fabric softener, so you can wash 40 degrees Celsius. You can iron it, and I think you cannot throw it anywhere. And this is the code bar if you want to buy. You can see here, and its fiber content 60% wool and 40% nylon. So I've used this before, and it's super easy. It's a little bit similar to this one, but this one is a little bit thinner. If you want to make your lace or borders, you can use this one. And another one I have bought is the yarn from the shop called Hema, and it's called KATOEN Litros. I think it's German mark, and it's a cotton rose clear, pink clear. So it's 50 grams, and white plus 105 meter, and it's the hook it use is for knitting is 3.0 or 4.0 millimeter, and for crochet it's 4.0 to 4.5 millimeter. So you can hand wash, and you cannot iron it, and you cannot wash in the machine. So this is really good because you can make blankets or scarves or whichever crochet project you want to use with it. So this one is a good one. So if you are a beginner, you can start with the cotton yarn, and you have a shop nearby your place called Hema. You can go that and buy. It cost me €1, so it's cheaper than in local grocery, and it's super easy. You can just remove it from here and start your crochet. And furthermore, I've bought this yarn over here. This yarn, it's used for this one, use it for making bracelets. It's super soft, and it's also cotton, so you can use this for making bracelets for kids or earrings, or also lace, but I suggest you use them for earrings or bracelets. It's very easy to crochet with. And for this yarn over here, I've used, we need 3 balls to make this shawl I've made. So let me demonstrate over here. So I have my chain of 4 here. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook here. See how it looks like. This is how it's supposed to be. It doesn't tangle or it does not get messed up. So you can see it's very, very easy. It's also manageable. So you can see it's very, very easy to make. So it's multicolor yarn. So if you are a beginner, you can also use this one instead of joining the yarns together. For joining the yarns, I'm going to make another video on how to join yarns with needle. So I hope you like my video, and please go ahead and buy this on shop Temu if you have around you, or also online. And I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.